the element. Nothing but you're doing a modification. You're doing modification, right, in the array, right? Adding and deleting. Adding and deleting, right? So in other program, what you're doing for adding or deleting an element, you're using push and pop, right? Push is for adding the element and pop is used for deleting the element. But here in the array, in the PHP, we are not using this push or pop. Okay, for adding an element, simply we have to give what the variable means where we want to add that new element, that variable name and the index value. For example, I have one array like this. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the array I have. Okay, this is 0th index, 1st index, 2nd index, and 3rd index. 4th index, I don't have any value. Right, I want to add one more value to this array, means for this variable $arr. So what I have to do, $arr, to which index I want to give the value, that is 5th index, equals what value you want to give, that value 5, right? That's it. It will add this value 5 in the last index, in the 5th index. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, sorry, 4th index. In 4th index, we got the result. We will assign the value. We will add the value like 5. Okay, what if I want to assign the value? I want to modify now. I want to change this 3 to some other value. So what is the index of this value? 0, 1, 2. Right? I will just change this index value to 2, and it will replace this value 3 to 1. This is simple. Okay, this is simple where in the PHP it is I'm modifying a value in the PHP. This is what right, adding an element in the array. How to delete an element in the array, right? For deleting an element in the array, for other program we have pop, but here we are having unset. Okay, unset is the keyword which will act like a pop. It will remove the element from the array. It will remove the element from the array. Okay, I will show this in the program. Okay, so $arr, I'm creating one value there, array like A, B, A. Okay, these are the 4 values I gave it there, right? So we can see 1, 0th index, 1st index, 2nd index, and 3rd index. Okay, I will display echo $arr, which index you want to display that. I will display 1st index. Okay, what it will do, it will take this value, this A, and display it in the browser. Right, this is what simple array program. Now I want to change, I want to modify. Okay, I want to modify. Okay, or I want to use some value at the JAVA, it is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, in 4th index I want to use some value. What I will do, $arr, index is what, 0, 1, 2, 3 at 4th index. 0, 1, 2, 3 at 4th index. I want to add one value. Okay, that is yes, I will Javas. Okay, then see, right, array of 4, whether it is displayed there or not. Save. Yes, right, we got at the 4th index, we got the value. You can see 0, 1, 2, 3. We don't have any value yes in the 4th index. We are only till 3, right? So we added the 4th index here. Right, we added the 4th index. Right, this is how we're going to add the value. Now I want to change this V to S. What is the index here? 0, 1, 2. Okay, I'll just change to 2 here. Right, and I will display that. What, whether it is modified or not. File, save. You can see. At the 2, the second index, this value, right? This V as replaced with yes. Okay, for difference, I will change this to B. Whether it is changed or not now. Save. You can see it has overrated this V. Okay, this index it has overrated what? S to B, no, not V. So we have changed V to S, then S to B. Right. This is what adding an element to the PHP, to the array. Now, how to delete an element? Right? How to delete an element? For deleting element, we have what? Unset. Right? Unset. Correct. So I want to remove the second index. Unset the keyword, then variable, then which index? I'll just change to 0, 1, 2. Right? This 2, second index. I will remove this value 2. Then I'm going to display. Right? Save. Undefined offset. Right? You should get this result, undefined offset, because there is no value in this index 2, because I am removing both $ARR and the index value. So each block, the second index block I am removing. That is the reason we are getting undefined offset. Right? Undefined offset. Right? So here what I will do, so I will change this now. Okay, I will use comment. Use comment here. Right? What I will do for difference, I will show. So $ARR 3. Right? This is a variable, and 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? 0, 1, 2, 3. Here I am giving what? Empty string. This null value I am giving. Null I am giving. Right? This result you should not get, because we are just removing the value from the index, but that block is still there in that block. Okay, we replace that value with null value. See? Oh, okay. Sorry, here we are given where in the echo statement we are given 2, right? So we just change to 3 here. Save. So you get the blank. Why getting blank? Because that index is there, but in that index there is no value. We are given the null value there. Okay, empty string means we are given the null value, right? But that index is there, there is no value. But unset, we are going to remove the whole index and the value. That is the reason we are getting that undefined as the error there. That is the proper result. That is the proper result. Right, that is the proper result. Then a small bit is there, right? So one is how to check the value, right? How to check the value in the array. For example, okay, for example, whether this J is there or not in the array. Okay, this A is there or not in the array. Now we have removed this third, right? This A is not there actually. This A is not there. How to check whether this A is there in this index or not? Right? For that, we are using what? Is set. Right? Is set is the keyword which is used to check whether the values exist in the array or not. Okay, just a small program I will show you. Right, so this is the what array I have defined. Correct. So if is set is the keyword, I am using there in the $ARR, right, at the 0th index. At the 0th index, whether at that index is any value is there or it is an empty index. Okay, we're going to check that one. If it is there, it will display one result, that is value is there. Okay, value is there. So I'll remove this, we'll set save. You can see value is there because at the 0th index the value is there, j is there. Okay, I will just change this to something like 5, because we don't have one more result I given. It should show blank here, it should show blank screen, right? See, it is showing blank screen because we don't have 5th index and there is no value in the 5th index. So this is set. What it will do, it will check whether the value is there, values exist in the given array or not. If it is not,